Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0 for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of upcycling plastic plant pot. Dear audience, when we talk about plastic pot upcycling for different purpose, many questions arise in our mind, like as what is a plastic upcycling, or what is the concept of upcycling, or what are the benefit of upcycling, or what is a upcycling menu. So, dear audience, when we talk about plastic upcycling, and then it is a creative reuse of transforming plastic waste materials into new materials of better quality and environmental value. So the need for plastic upcycling, plastic in various forms are non-biodegradable and persist in the environment for a very long time. So if we talk about its concept, then its process many refer to as upcycling, which upcycle that what come defines this way. The act of taking something no longer in use and giving it a second life of a new thing, a new functioning things. So, in doing so, the finished product often becomes more practical, valuable, much importance, and beautifulness for our eyesight, for our dear loving eyesight, for our dear guy's eyesight. So, then what it is previously was. So if we talk about its beneficial upcycling plastic pot, it can be easily carried from one place to another. It's a vase minded question of answer. So save materials from landfill. It's also a benefit because material saves as different method and different technologies usage save our material from landfill or land together or land garbages. So it's also a benefit. So when we talk about its upcycling plant benefit there, then it's carry from one place to another. It is a easy way, I say that. So, minimum use of new and natural resources. We are upcycling a plant pot and make a easy way and from inside of our house or outside of our house or in front of our doors, sitting rooms, etc. It's a beautiful type when we upcycling a plastic materials, and then we grow in plant in plastic pot plant and sit in our sitting room. So it's also a minimum use of a new and natural resources are usage in plastic bottles or plastic pots. So promote traditional, like cultural and a new age craftsmanship. It's also it promote traditionally, I also say. So, reduce the use of valuable resources like trees, fuel, and water. It's also less usage because it is a long usage of a plastic material plant. So, reduce the use of valuable resources like trees, fuel, and water. So, promote livelihood. It is a short term for earning someone livelihood and create employment. It is an easy way to uh, grow a plant in plastic pot, and we sell it in different dollars and so small dollars, so different small dollars, and earning our livelihood. So offers products with unique designs and patterns. It's also beautiful for beautifulness purpose. We can use it for different people, countries, people buy it. It's design looking a tattoo, a beautiful sight of tattoo on that. different uh, animal animal flowering plants are which can be a different craftsmanship, make the countries loveliest sight or loveliest things that can be used. We design that. So it's if we talk about uh, one question is an arise on our mind: upcycling ensure minimum use of new resources. It's also a benefit. So when the base material for making a product is a repurposed material, what is usually termed as waste. So the need of virgin resources is drastically cut down. We now know that resources are limited and they are getting used up at a rate way higher than what the planet can restore. So why not look at reusing those resources that we have already brought into our consumption cycle and extend their lifetime? So think of impact we can have on the earth overshot day by reducing some of our vegan material consumption. So upcycling promotes craftsmanship on that way. Like as each upcycled item is handcrafted to the finest detail, as the input material is never standardized. So be it a fabric upcycle or wood, yarn etc. Upcycle design evolves based on the material we work with. It is a reverse process compared to the usual product design. So every product is carefully handcrafted by each team member to bring perfection. So when you purchase something at Reimagined, you are supporting the craft and hard work that these artisans put into upcycling products for you. So this is one of the major benefit of upcycling. So upcycling promotes livelihood also, but in when we in description we talk about, then upcycling is a labor-intensive process that requires attention to the smallest of detail at every step. So these products can never the mass produced using machines, equipment, unlike the regular of the shelf product. So there is an army of people together, a gathering of people, we can say that spread across the entire supply chain, from material collection to the final point of dispatching the finished product reach you. So this is a team you are supporting by making uh, a choice of opting for upcycled product, an ethical choice that will go a long way in sustainable consumption. So it's also a beneficial apartment. So when we talk about upcycling of a unique product for consumers, it's also a different type of question in my dear audience, in the eyes of my dear audience. So each upcycled atom is handcrafted to the finest detail, as the input material is never standardized. So upcycling your design evolves based on that material we work with. It's a reverse process compared to the usual product design. So every product is carefully handcrafted by each team member to bring perfection. So when you purchase something at Remagined, you are supporting the craft and hard work that these artisans put into upcycling product for you. So this is one of the major benefit of upcycling. So offer product with unique design and pattern also we used, and take us a step closer a green planet. So help sport small guys for my guys. So dear audience, I think that my video and idea inspired you much. If inspired, then subscribe my channel. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much.